show you how to reset your Samsung dishwasher in just a few easy steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Try the soft reset. First, let's try a soft reset. Press and hold the Start Cancel button on your dishwasher for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the dishwasher should drain and shut off. This clears minor glitches and is often enough to get things back to normal. Step 2. Hard reset, power cycle. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset. Just unplug your dishwasher or turn off the circuit breaker it's connected to. Wait for about 1 to 5 minutes. Now plug it back in. This resets the internal system. Step 3. Clear any error code. Still seeing error? After the reset, check your control panel for any error code. If it's still showing, note the code. It may point to a bigger issue like a sensor or drainage problem. Final check. Now try starting a cycle. If it runs normally, great. You've successfully reset it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.